So why should we care about resilience in our current world? Well, there's lots of different reasons. On a global level, we're seeing unprecedented threats to human health. We're facing the fourth industrial revolution, where technology is threatening some of the jobs that we do and certainly many of the ways in which we do those jobs. And many things that once seemed very certain to us are proving to be more subject to change than we might have thought. In our organisations, we're facing an increasing speed of change and much greater complexity as we're being asked to pay attention to so many more things than we have done in the past. And in the midst of that, we have increasing customer expectations around speed and quality of delivery. At an individual level, technology has blurred the boundaries between work and home, and we perhaps feel that we have to stay learning all the time in order to stay current. Social media creates expectations of physical, mental and emotional perfection. And we're supposed to be great partners, great parents, great workers, great leaders, great friends and great neighbours. And that's quite a lot for any of us to carry with us. But simply sucking it up, toughing it out or cheering up are overly simplistic solutions to what are in essence a really complex set of challenges that face us today. So what is resilience? Well, the good news is resilience is not a you have it or you don't kind of commodity. We have found in our research that resilience is a developable attribute. We can all build our resilience, tapping into the wonderful ability of our neuroplastic brain to learn new behaviours, establish improved ways of thinking, and nurture resilience building relationships. And in addition to building our own resilience, we can also learn to support the resilience of others, be they the teams that we lead or the colleagues that we work closely with. We can all help to make work a better place for everyone. So, how can the Raw Toolkit help us? Well, the Raw Toolkit is the world's only systems-based approach to building resilience. Firstly, our Raw individual assessment helps each of us to build new tools, support our well-being, performance and engagement. It helps us to understand what we can do for ourselves to thrive. The Raw Leader questionnaire helps leaders to understand what their teams need from them to be at their best in a sustainable way. The Raw Team tool helps us understand how we can best come together to create a collective environment that supports success. The Toolkit diagnoses our current realities and signposts what it is that we need to do next in order to thrive and be our very best as a team. The Raw Toolkit can be used in a range of very flexible ways. It can be used to work with individuals to help them build their own resilience or support the resilience of others. It can also be used in workshops. We can train and support groups to enhance their resilience, to help them to cope and to help them to thrive. And we can also use Raw Team in a facilitated session where a team can begin to coalesce around their key priorities and key deliverables and to think about which improvements in terms of their resilience will best help them to achieve their goals. This gives a great return on investment because as well as developing the team's skills, it also pretty much ensures that they're going to be better at delivering the things that they need to deliver.